So let's read the question. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent and the correspondence ABC corresponds to QRP. So this basically means triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QRP. Write the parts of triangle ABC that correspond to QR. There's a line segment over here. So this is side QR, angle Q, side PQ and angle P. So let's begin. So the first step is write down a congruence statement. So in the same sequence, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QRP. Now we have to get the corresponding parts. So label it as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now let's begin. We'll begin with the first part. Write the side corresponding to QR. So we have to write the side corresponding to QR. So how do we get it? Look for QR in your correspondence statement. That is in the congruence statement. QR is over here. What is QR? First two letters over here. I repeat, we want the side corresponding to QR. So look for QR over here. QR is made up of first two letters. So first two letters correspond to first two letters over here. I repeat, first two letters corresponds to first two letters. So QR, that is first two letters, correspond to first two letters over here. That is AB. So QR corresponds to side AB. As simple as that. I repeat, all you have to do is search for this in your congruence statement. QR is what? First two letters. So this will correspond to first two letters over here. So QR corresponds to side AB. Similarly, next part, angle Q. Again, search for angle Q in your correspondence statement. Let me rub this off. So search for angle Q. Q over here is the first letter. I repeat, Q over here is the first letter. So first letter will correspond to first letter over here. I repeat, simply look for this in your congruence statement. Q is the first letter. So first letter will correspond to first letter over here. What is the first letter over here? A. So angle Q corresponds to angle A. As simple as that. Similarly, third part, side PQ. So let me rub this off. So we want to find the side corresponding to PQ. So look for PQ in your congruence statement. PQ. So Q and P. That is third and first letter. I repeat, see, PQ is what? Third and first letter. So third and first letter will correspond to third and first letter over here. I repeat, PQ. Third and first letter. So third and first letter will correspond to third and first letter over here. What is the third letter? C. What is the first letter? A. So PQ corresponds to C. Simple. Just look for this in your congruence statement. PQ is what? Third and first letter. It will correspond to third and first letter. CA. Similarly, fourth part, angle P. So just look for P in your congruence statement. P over here is the third letter. So third letter will correspond to the third letter. So angle P corresponds to angle C. So this is how you solve such type of questions. So first step is write down your congruence statement. Write 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now whatever correspondence you want, just look for that in your congruence statement based on whichever letters it is made up of. Same letters over here. For example, side corresponding to QR. QR is what? First two letters over here. So this corresponds to 1 and 2 over here. First two letters, A and P. Similarly, angle Q. Q is first letter over here. So it corresponds to first letter over here, angle A. Side PQ. PQ is what? Third and first letter. So it corresponds to third and first letter over here, CA. Either C or AC, same thing. Similarly, angle P. P is third letter over here. So this will correspond to third letter over here, that is C. That is why you write 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you easily get the matching, right? So this is how you solve such type of questions. That is based on the congruence statement, you can easily get the corresponding sides and angles.